Hello class, welcome to lesson 5. This is evaluate algebraic expressions and formulas. Our objective is I can evaluate algebraic expressions and formulas by using the plug-in method. So I wanted to do a little bit of a review before we jumped in to unlock the problem. So we're looking at the word term, coefficient, and variable. So a term is an expression where the parts are separated by addition or subtraction signs. So here we have two terms. We have 3w is a term and 2a is a term because they are separated by the addition sign right there. Next we have coefficient. The coefficient is the number being multiplied by a variable. Then we have variable. It's a letter or symbol that stands for an unknown number or numbers. So remember, we have in between 3w and 2a, there's our invisible multiplication sign. Ooh. And also remember that if you have a variable just by itself over here, like k, there's an invisible 1 in front of it, okay? It's never just a variable on its own. It always has a coefficient. All right, let's move on to unlock the problem. So unlock the problem says, evaluate the expression for the given value. The question is 25 plus 9w, where w equals 8. So we are given our variables quantity. So we have our terms. So our terms are 25 and 9w. But now we want to solve. We want to figure out if we plug in a number into our unknown, which is w, what will we get? So I'm going to start by plugging in my number. And I'm going to put parentheses around it because we are multiplying. So this shows that I will be multiplying. So now I need to use PEMDAS. So first is parentheses. We have parentheses here, but it's indicating multiplication. So it's not like we have 6 plus 7 in the parentheses. So we don't have parentheses. We don't have an exponent. We do have multiplication. And I wrote my PEMDAS wrong. There we go. We do have multiplication. So 9 times 8. I'm going to rewrite my 25. 9 times 8 is 72. And I don't have division, but I do have addition. So 25 plus 72, well, 5 plus 2 is 7, and plus 7 is 9. So our final answer is 97. All right, let's go over our steps. So we're going to use the same example, 25 plus 9w, where w equals 8. So I'm going to write my problem, which is 25 plus 9. And I'm going to, it says plug in given variables. So I'm given w equals 8. So I'm going to plug it in here. So when I say plug in, I mean you take your variable, which is 8, and plug it in here. So this is plugged in now. Now I just need to use PEMDAS to solve. So now I have 25 plus 9 times 8. So you're just plugging in what you're given and then solving as usual. Let's try some examples. All right, here are our examples. The directions say evaluate the expressions for the given values. So we have 4 times m minus 8 divided by 3, where m equals 14. So step 1, I need to plug in my variable. So here's my variable. I need to plug it in. Actually, that's a lie. This is my given. So here's my given. This is my variable. I'm going to plug that in. So I'm going to rewrite this as 4 times 14 minus 8 divided by 3. And now I can just solve as I normally would using PEMDAS. So I start with parentheses because I have those. So I need to rewrite what I am not using, which is 4 times. And 14 minus 8 would be 6. And bring down what I did not use. And I don't have any exponents. I do have multiplication though. So 4 times 6 equals 24. Bring down my work, divided by 3. I have division. So 24 divided by 3 equals 8. And that's my final answer. All right, so for example 2, we have 3 times y squared plus 2 for y equals 4. So I need to start by plugging in my given. So my given is y equals 4, and I'm going to plug it into our variable. And I need to rewrite the problem to do that. So I have 3 times 4 squared plus 2. And let's do PEMDAS. So I do have parentheses. And after I do parentheses, I need to look at the rest of my problem. So I can't just go ahead and add 4 plus 2 because exponents becomes before addition. So I have to first use my exponent. So I'm going to rewrite what I'm not going to use. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 2. Now I can move on to my addition inside my parentheses. So I'm not going to use the 3. 16 plus 2 is 18. So 3 times 18 equals 54. All right, and here is our last example. We have 2L plus 2W. For L equals 2.4 and W equals 1.2. So I need to plug in what I'm given. So I'm given L equals 2.4, W equals 1.2. So this is going to be plugged in here. W is going to be plugged in here. So I need to rewrite my problem. 2 times 2.4 plus 2 times 1.2. Now I can just use PEMDAS to solve. So I don't have any parentheses, don't have exponents, I have multiplication. So 2 times 2.4 gives me 4.8, and 2 times 1.2 gives me 2.4. Bring my addition sign down. So 4.8 plus 2.4. Remember when you're adding, decimals, you just need to line up the decimals. So 8 plus 4 is 12, carry the 1. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Bring my decimal down. So 7.2 is our answer. So you can see that having two different variables in the problem doesn't change it. You just plug it in and solve using PennDOT. Alright, that is it for this lesson. Go ahead and get started on your homework, and I will see you at your designated meeting time. Bye, guys.